Hello lovely people, and welcome back to another workout video with Keeping It Jazzy Health and Fitness. First, we're going to start by warming up. If you have not warmed up, please pause this video and complete a 5 to 10 minute run. If you cannot run, if you don't have an elliptical or a treadmill, or it's too cold outside, do some high knees for at least 30 seconds or a minute, or jumping jacks. Now, let me tell you what this workout is about. This is going to be a sexy leg and ab workout. We're going to first start with 30 sit-ups, 30 leg lifts on each side, 30 bicycles, 30 hip flexors on each side, 30 Russian twists, 30 side steps, and 30 diagonal walks. Are you ready? Let's go. First, sit-ups. I want you to make sure that you're lifting your body completely up. If you cannot lift your body up while using your abs, if you have a partner, have your partner hold your feet down to the floor. You want to make sure that your feet are glued to the floor as you're lifting your body up. If you do not have a partner, and let's say if you're at home, use the couch. Put your legs right underneath the couch or your feet, and just use the couch to make sure your legs are staying down. If you're at a gym, you can find something as well. Just be creative. Keep going. Good job. Now let's take a 30-second break. During this break, make sure that you continue to breathe, and if you need to, slow down your breathing and drink some water. The next exercise is 30 leg lifts with a band. If you do not have a band, that is okay. You can do this exercise completely without a band. We're going to do the first set of 30 on the left leg. You want to raise your left leg up just a little bit above your foot, and you want to keep rising and rising. When you bring your foot back down, you want to make sure you do not touch the floor, but keep lifting up. Okay, let's switch to the right leg. We're going to be doing the same thing. You're going to lift your right leg up above your left foot, and you're going to keep rising. And when you put it back down to the bottom, you want to make sure that it does not touch the floor. Keep that left leg straight. Perfect. Now let's take a 30-second rest before our next exercise. Make sure you're continuing to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. If you need to, get some water and just hydrate yourself. All right, you ready? The next set is 30 bicycles. Let's get in position, let's go. Make sure you're lying on your back and you're lifting your legs up at a 90-degree angle. We're going to pretend like we're riding a bike. And bring your knee as close to your chest as possible. And you want to make sure that your opposite elbow is touching your knee. Keep going. You got this. Push through. Make sure you're touching that knee with your elbow. Great. Now this is going to be a 15-second rest. If you need to, get some water now. The next exercise is hip flexors, 30 on each leg. Again, if you have access to a band, let's use it. Otherwise, it's perfectly fine to complete this exercise without the band. Let's start with the right leg. You want to have your left arm bent or folded in front of you to keep your chest lifted, and place your right hand next to your hip to hold your balance. Lift your right leg, leaving space in between the two legs. And lift your right leg higher, bringing it back to the original position with space in between your left leg and your right leg. Okay, now we want to turn around and do the hip flexors on the left side. Same thing. Make sure you keep that space in between your legs and you're lifting that left leg higher and bring it back to the original position. Make sure you keep your hand down to make sure you balance. As you saw, I almost kind of fell. So keep that hand in this position to make sure that you're not going to fall over. Keep going. Good job. Now we're going to rest for 30 seconds. And then we're going to move into 30 Russian twists. If you have access to a medicine ball, great. If not, it's okay to complete this exercise by itself. Also, if you're not really good with position or with balancing for the Russian twist, I would advise to keep your feet on the floor. As you see here, I'm keeping my feet lifted up off the floor, balancing myself. But if you cannot do that, it is okay. Keep your feet on the floor and move the ball from side to side, making sure that you're hitting the ball on the ground. If you don't have a ball, then you want to make sure that you're hitting your hands on the ground. All right, keep going. Great job. Now we're going to rest again for another 30 seconds before doing the next exercise, which is 30 side steps. If you have a band, let's get it right now so that we can use it. If not, you can definitely do this exercise again without the band. For this exercise, we're going to stand on our side and we're going to get in a half squat. If you can do a full squat, by all means, go ahead. Now, how we're going to start this is we're going to get our right foot and step out. Then we're going to step our left foot in before stepping the right foot back out. And we're going to keep doing this while staying in a squat. All right, let's go. You want to make sure that you're starting on the right foot going down, and then when you come back up, you're starting on the left foot, just to make sure that you're getting the exercise on both sides of your feet. Now I just want to show you how your squat should be. If you can go deeper than I am right now, by all means, please go ahead and do that. Yes, you got this. That was great. All right, now let's rest for 25 seconds. We're going to keep that resistance band on if you have it. If not, again, it's okay. The next thing is going to be 30 diagonal walks. This is going to be similar to the side steps. It's just that we're going to be walking diagonally. Okay, you're going to go back into a squat position and then you're going to step your left foot diagonally forward, and then you're going to step your right foot next to it, and then you're going to do the same with your right. Step your right foot up diagonally and step your left foot next to it. I forgot my camera wasn't at a wider view, so don't worry, I'm still doing my diagonal walks, and you should too. Finish strong. Yay, you're done. Good job. Now I just want to make sure that you guys are drinking plenty of water. If you are a beginner, it's okay to call it quits right now, but if not, complete this exercise 2 more times. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos. Bye. See you next time.